Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm taking you one-on-one on how to use QuillBot. QuillBot helps you eliminate grammar errors and paraphrase content. So I'll be taking you, I have a premium subscription. I'll be taking you how on one-on-one on how to practically use QuillBot. So ensure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing we'll do, I'll show you the tools that the QuillBot has. As we can see here, it has a paraphraser, it has grammar checker, it has plagiarism checker, it has a co-writer and a summarizer. We want to go to the paraphraser, and I will use original content from that I have already written. That is 100% original. We'll come and copy paste it. Once we copy paste it, we want to I'll come to my QuillBot and I'll be able to paste it here. Once I paste it here, I'll paste. This is QuillBot for Chrome, and this is the standard version. We can see that I want to demonstrate how to use the paraphraser. So we can say we'll delete the references because we do not want, surely we do not want the to paraphrase the references. We have 284 words. I'll show you magic. So once we come here, if you want to change to paraphrase, it will tell it to paraphrase. And once you tell it to paraphrase, it will bring, we can see initially it was 274 words, it has generated 278 words. And we can see that it has changed the concept usually. We can see initially it was saying that hospital setting and Muslim accommodation. Literature review on hospital setting and Muslim accommodation. It has different versions. If you still want to continue, if you want to download that version, you'll just export. Once you export, you can see that version as a Word document. You can see it's now here. So, but for this time, what we'll do, we'll use other versions. You can copy the full text and maybe go copy in your Gmail account or wherever you want to copy. So we'll go to the next mode. For the QuillBot, the premium subscription, it has, you can go to frequency and change it. You see now it has changed to 273 words. It has not changed much from the initial the initial sentence. The initial sentence was literature on hospital settling and Muslim accommodation reveals an existing disparity in accommodating Muslims in some hospitals. Let us use a formal paraphrase model. These are the models. You see it has really changed. Initially it was talking about, let me show you the initial, the one that I've already downloaded. It was saying about literature and hospital. We can see this is the first sentence. Literature on hospital setting and Muslim accommodation suggests that Muslims are not always accommodated equally in hospitals. So once we come here, we can see accommodation of Muslims in hospitals. The literature demonstrates a disparity in the manner in which Muslims accommodate. We can change it to another rephrase model. We can go to a simple mode where it changes things completely. We said if you really want to download this version, you just click your download button and you will get it here. This is another mode. It is a different mode from the initially what it had written. We can see it's totally complete. It's different because you can see here it's saying setting and how Muslims are treated in hospitals. We'll go to the creative version. Once we go to the creative version, we can see it has changed into another model. It says the first now sentence is quite different. There is a discrepancy in the way in which some hospitals are able to accommodate Muslims and according to the published literature. We'll go to an expand. We can expand it. Maybe we want an expansion of the words. Now the words have expanded to 383 words. Initially they were 284. So the mode that the original, this is the original content, but these are rephrase models. You can paraphrase in a model that is called expand. We see this first sentence is quite different. We can download it and now compare it to the other sentences. You can see this is the first sentence. Let us compare it with the other models, the models that we had earlier. Setting how Muslims, you can see it's quite different. So now we can shorten it. we can shorten the words. So first thing, the words are shortened from the initial 284 words. Now they are 183 words, and we can see that the first sentence has really changed from the way it was, and we can so that is the model. I really wanted to engage in the paraphrase model of QuillBot Premium logins. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you.